Alright, so I am on. Is this gonna work? I think that's not gonna work. But I wonder if I can. Sorry, give me a second here. But see, the problem with this is that I'm gonna turn that off. But if I go here, it's off again. Okay, I don't know about that. That's annoying. I can't add a different. Alright. I just want to. So I've been trying to use Linux. I haven't used Linux in a while. And there are just a few features that I've been battling that is absolutely insane. So one thing that's great, and this is okay. So immediately, the two features that I missed the most was there's no speech to text, right? There's no out of the box. In Windows, you type Windows H, and you get a text to speech thing, which is really, really, really nice. There was something else, and then the other thing is that in Chrome, so Firefox this works perfectly, but in Chrome there's some weird bug about Wayland or some other thing where you can't swipe to go back pages. So that's the other thing. Oh yeah, I remember. And then the thing about taking screenshots, so I hacked this together with it was actually really easy to fix once I figured out what you need to do. But you just need to write a bash command as a special keyboard shortcut that basically, because the thing that's really nice is that in Windows, if you type whatever Windows Shift S, you can draw a bounding box and then it will copy that to the screen. Now, the Linux out of the box way that they do this is they open up a dialog and it has way too much stuff on it about like resizing it and all this stuff, and you have to manually click to do it. When I take screenshots, I take about probably 50 screenshots a day, and to pipe to ChatGPT, and I can't. Anyways, so I don't know. Can I open up settings? Oh yeah, and then the other thing that I had to do was download this thing, GNOME Tweaks. So what did I do here? So there's this thing, custom shortcuts, screenshot, and I had ChatGPT write this thing that pipes whatever. I don't know what the hell it does, but it lets me take screenshots how I'd like. So now I can like paste this and it works. So I think the next thing that's gonna happen. Oh wait, how do I get my docs? Wait. Do docs not work on Linux? What is CEF? That's the thing about Linux. You have to be a little bit smarter. So I can't even see my chat unless I go on my phone. There's just a ton of little things, bro. Alright. So what is CEF? The simplest fix on a Wayland desktop is to launch OBS with the X11 platform plugin. This re-enables the CEF docs. That's so random. But what is CEF? Oh wait, that's a terrible link. On Linux OBS, all of the built-in chat and viewer count docs are actually powered by the CEF base. What is CEF? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that makes sense. That's actually really cool. I didn't even think about that. If I just run OBS. Wait, why isn't it on my path though? I installed it with FlatHub, but I guess FlatHub, Flatpak, whatever it's called. I don't know what the hell it's called. What in the world? Anyways, it's just like a bunch of, oh, here, let me switch back. So the thing, this is so annoying, though. So we're gonna have to do this. Because the thing is, I feel like the aspect ratio on this, is just a little bit wide for my... Bro, that's ridiculous. I mean, I guess, but that's annoying. So then, okay, so given that I installed with Flatpak, how do I use the X11 thing for OBS? Because presumably I can forward command line args to Flatpak. That would be insane if you couldn't. Okay. Okay. So let's just try to run this. Wait, but XCB was one of them. Anyways, so alright, so we're gonna I've got to get my stream set up, but I would really like, and I'm sure the audio is terrible on this. Oh my god, it's brutal. It's actually the worst audio ever. Whatever. There's just a whole lot of stuff you gotta get working. Okay. Wait, what? This forces OBS to mount the X11 socket from your host and pick every time. By default, I don't even know what that means. So I should just be able to run this again, right? Or not, no, run this one. Now that we've done the thing, bro, what? Bro, it's still giving me this. What the fuck are you talking about? I don't even know what Wayland and X11 are. Did I not do this? I thought I did. Bro. Wait, why is that delay so long? There's just so many things that you gotta like set up. It should be in here, right? But I don't see it. Key repeat. Settings, keyboard, what? Alright, let me do this. Oh wait, do I need to do tweaks? I swear to God, things are actually like more annoying. Key repeat. There's no, the search doesn't work. That's great. Wait, what the fuck is going on? This thing is like dead. Oh, because of this. That's great. Let's see if this actually works. I feel like this probably won't even work. That's the problem, is that there's so many ways to do things, I feel like, that... Whoa! Oh, but it's... Oh my god, that's... That's the worst thing I've ever done. That's the worst thing I've ever done, bro. Oh wait, I probably have to do it like this. Is hilarious. Alright, that's better. 0 was hilarious though. Okay, fine. But is that... Okay, cool. Alright, G settings, that's pretty nice. Okay, fine. What's the next thing though? We're gonna try to spend an hour to... this is gonna be kind of a pain, I guess. I probably do need to make this work though. Okay, what is XLM? Wait. They're compositors, right? They're the things that manage the windows. Oh, one thing that I did want to say though, bruh, the only way to install Python is with UV. UV allows you to install Python, which is just so nice. I wouldn't want it any other way. Because then I don't even have... Pip's not even a thing, bro. I don't even want pip on there, because the thing about pip that's stupid is, I always want to I want to have a clean global environment like I do with Julia. I do have fish. I want to switch to fish. I was looking at new shell, but I feel like new shell is a little bit too fancy. I never do any real scripting anyways. I just want to see, is there any motion on this though? Bro, it's been 3 years. The bundled upstream progress is underway. There's some recent activity in the CEF project towards native Wayland. What is ozone? I don't even know what ozone is. It hasn't shipped in the CEF versions OBS uses. Once those patches land in an official CEF release. It's funny how you dig into these things. I mean, all of these are real people, you know, building real stuff. It's just so weird. One of the important pieces of open source software still working towards proper Wayland support is Chrome Embedded Framework. Holy cow. I mean, that is insane. That is hilarious. I mean, there's just like 50 ads. Man, you remember when the internet really used to be like that, though? And I didn't, like... Yo. How does anyone use the internet with that ad blocker, for real? This is in January. Dude, I don't like this Google source thing. This is so confusing. Oh, wow. So maybe we can just wait. There has literally been some recent... Should we try to read this discussion? I don't even know if it's worth it. So this is literally... What is ozone? I like some of this kind of plumbing stuff, you know what I mean? Like, someone's got to do the plumbing. From Toyota? What is the CL? CL is probably PR. Hold on, I gotta mute. I have to say that input does feel a little different. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but like just the mouse, I feel like I miss, like, I don't know. Something is a little different. Maybe that's just me, but can we try to like look at this PR? It's probably going to be such a mess that I don't even know what. I mean, look at how many files were changed. A lot of readmes, but Linux window. Whoa. OS window. Wait. Oh, this is the total. Let's see. Let's just look at this. OS window.h. Wow. You know, it's people who do this kind of development. It's like, wow, what the hell? It's like I don't even know. I don't even know what this PR does. Like, why is it all XML files? I don't even understand what the issue is. This is Wayland support for Chromium in general, or Wayland support for Angle? Because what is Angle? What is Angle? Almost native graphics layer engine. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I guess we're going to deal with... I don't know if I can wait this long for my stream to not have the docs. But I also don't really want to switch... So I feel like X11 does suck, right? Not that I have any idea what it... I don't even have a good grasp of the scope of those projects, so I'm not really qualified to even understand that. Alright, so let's freaking... actually, I want to be careful here. Hold on, let me check on something. I probably... Yeah, okay, so I need to do something really quickly. I'm gonna mute too, just in case. Okay. Alright, so I should be able to do stuff here. I got the Gemini thing, which is actually pretty sweet, I'm not gonna lie. I like it. Alright, so let's, oops. I need to, I believe I can just do alias J equals Julia, alias C equals cargo, alias P equals Python. I'm pretty sure I can just do that, right? So now if I do this, bro, what? Why isn't this working? Okay. Alright, so now we are going to try to do something kind of fun. Alright, that works for me. So C new Linux speech to text. So, bro, what? Alright, so let's freaking try to vibe code, bro. Alright. Okay, sure. I just let's see. This isn't really. Let's see. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. You were trying to open untrusted files in a workspace which is trusted? Oh, interesting. Oh, so it writes a temp thing? Okay, so anyhow... Is it really going to add these fucking... Is that really... That's crazy. I love that it has the context left. The thing is that... I don't know. Is GGML Whisper the fastest whisper? I thought people came up with way faster whispers. Let's just freaking do it though. So, save and close external editor. I don't even know what that means. So if I close this thing, did it actually write it? Okay, so it wrote it and it put these hilarious 3 and 2 of them. I mean, I don't know how it's so bad. Alright, let's do it. We probably don't have wget, so let's see how it handles that. You know, we're just vibe coding, bro. We're just vibe coding. Where is it putting this? Cache. Okay, that's fine. I'm down with that. That makes sense to me. It's going pretty slow. Wow, it's crawling right now. I don't even know what all this stuff is. What is it? Is this the big one? The base? Oh wait, you know what? I want to copy it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna just... Oh shit, no wait. See, what the fuck? Why is it going so slow in here? Let's try to escape to cancel. I'll wait for it, but I want to delete this thing. Whatever. Yeah, give me a second. I'm gonna make my default browser. Oh lol, dude, why do I always do this? I'm so dumb. Could have been worse. If I Nice. Okay, cargo run. Let's see. Oops. It's actually pretty stupid, man. Pretty, pretty, please. But also, how is it going to run with these 3 apostrophes at the beginning? Yeah, okay. At this point, this is more of just a getting used to this is more of just a for fun. Okay, so this does seem to be the biggest one, so at least it didn't choose something crazy. But I'm almost positive it's going to compile all the dependencies and then be like, parse error, token 0, 0. Unexpected apostrophe or something like that. There you go. Well, at least it found it. Oops. Cool. It is pretty nice just watching it do this stuff, though. Oh, nice. There you go. Is it actually listening, though? Who knows? Okay, let's try it. Test, hello. Hello? Hello? Does it know what input is too short? Consider padding the audio input. Where is it actually going to write this stuff out, though? That's what I don't understand. What does it do with the listening? Press enter to stop. Fail to get segment. Did I press enter? Oh, but maybe this. Hold on. I wonder if. Let me try it again. Test, 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 test. That's the thing about this stuff, though. Let's just do this, cause. Oh wait, can I do this? This. I don't know. Hello, testing, testing. Oh, but this isn't recording though. I don't even know what this is doing. That's weird. Wait, can I? Oh no, that opens a freaking. There's no real time. I want to build a tool that is in Rust, and it allows me to click. So I'm on Ubuntu, I'm on Linux, but I want to use like the Windows feature, Windows H, and it opens up a small dialog, and whatever text box your cursor is selected into, it will start real-time streaming the transcription of whatever you're saying into that text box. One, find out if there's already a tool that does this, and then two, if there isn't, let's just start developing it. Because that feature is actually really good. The Google keyboard is like the best one. Oh, really? Fuck yeah. See, this is exactly what I was looking for. I'm so glad. A Wayland overlay. Oh, bro.
Wait. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush. Same as us. And that thief over there.
No, but I wanted to stream in to the text box. But you know what? Maybe that's okay. Maybe we'll just try to run this. I don't really want Docker though. Hold on, I'm gonna sign into GitHub just so I can star it. This is the kind of annoying thing. Oh wait. About this stuff is like, what is all this flake shit? I don't know what this is. I mean, I do think it would be fun, more or less, to build this myself. I can see why it doesn't do it on a key-by-key basis. Because managing the edits but I don't want, so like for example, this almost certainly downloads while holding the hotkey. No, I don't want that. I don't want to hold it down. The live transcriptions use a faster but less accurate model. Oh, really? That's actually really interesting. This is cool. Did he literally just write this? Hilarious.
library designed to showcase its lightning-fast capabilities. As you'll see, speech is transcribed almost instantly into text, which I think is a pretty cool achievement given the challenges of working with Whisper. I've put a lot of effort into making this tool stable, efficient and easy to use, and I really hope you find it valuable in your projects. This
All right. That is pretty cool. What is it? Fast Whisper, GPU accelerated. So it's all local, right? Yes, I want to be able to just press. I would even be willing to go Windows H and then Windows H again to toggle it. Should we just try this thing? Might as well. No way that's the whole fucking thing, bro. Download Docker desktop. What is Docker desktop? For commuter. I don't think I want all that. I almost certainly don't want all that. Hey, let's ask Gordon. Bro, you've gotta be kidding me. That's actually kind of cool. Let's see. Hi, Gordon. Docker docs. Okay, so how the fuck do I get this thing? Debian Ubuntu. Alright, let's just fucking send it, dude. Should I just try to use Gemini to do it? No, I don't want to do that. I feel like I don't really trust it. I don't know. Maybe I gotta just like let the vibes go. Okay. Oh yeah, see that's the kind of annoying thing is it doesn't. Does Claude let you do that? Using the apt repository? Curl. Keyring. What is all this shit? What the fuck? Whenever I see weird shit like this, bro, I'm always like, what the hell is going on? Okay, so now I should be able to run this thing. Docker compose up. What? Bro, I remember when I was in college and I was like trying to do this for something, Docker, and I was just like, this is the most ridiculous stuff. It's like the stupidest thing, bro. But the thing is, I'm not gonna... Oh, God. But I don't even have... I don't know what graphics card I have. Bro, that is a little bit of a bummer. This is why I was thinking like it might just be better to use a paid service or something. Cause like it's downloading CUDA, but I don't even have a CUDA. No, bro. Wait, is this within? I think that's within the thing though, right? That better be in a container, otherwise... I've had this computer for like 1 second and I've already completely destroyed it with terrible software. You know, whenever you get a new computer, you're always like, all right, let me keep this beautiful. You know, let me do this right. And then instantly you run into the first problem and you're like, all right, time to install every package that's ever been made. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the stream. I think this is like, actually, you know, I'm gonna go shave and then we're gonna just like see if this runs. I think that realistically, that is pretty cool, actually. It's like, where is it all putting all this garbage to? Ay, 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 bro. Yeah. Great. So we did this whole thing only to say, oh, you need a GPU. It probably did. I don't know if he said this though. Does it say you need a GPU? Let's clean up this bullshit. Oops. Whoa, there's a hummingbird like 1 foot away from me. That was actually sick. Alright, so we nuked it. So we're good. Alright, so that's it. This is a total waste of my time. But we're almost ready to, you know, be Windows. Because Windows is pretty great, honestly. All in all. I mean, Windows sucks, obviously, but having transcription and all that is really, really nice. Okay.